Hi, my name is Jenny Rivera, and I have decided to expand on the article Include Evaluating Multilingual Language Understanding with Regional Knowledge. I have named my expansion From Errors to Insights, Cultural versus Linguistic Gaps in Multilingual Large Language Models, and with the objective of extending the Include benchmark with error analysis and mitigation strategies. The main motivation is that the article says that Include shows multilingual large language models perform unevenly across languages and regional knowledge tasks, but it is not clear if these errors are due to linguistic comprehension gaps, cultural knowledge limitations, or to both. Thus, my main question is, are multilingual large language models mistakes primarily linguistic or cultural? And I propose two possible interventions to measure improvements in these models: a cross-lingual transfer to help low-resource language models, and a retrieval augmented generation to reduce cultural knowledge errors. The proposed methodology would include the same data and models of the paper. The data will be include-based and include-light, and the models will be the benchmark multilingual large language models. For error categorization, there will be three: linguistic errors, which are due to translation mistakes, syntax misinterpretation, language comprehension failures; cultural errors, which are due to lack of regional laws, history, or social norms; and mixed errors, which are both linguistic and cultural. The error analysis pipeline is proposed. The proposed one is automatic tagging via metadata. This is to include the metadata of the include database, which has domain, and regionality type, which is region agnostic, region specific, cultural. And for ambiguous cases, there will be a manual review, and we will stratify the results by large language resource models of high or low resource. We will perform two mitigation experiments. The first one is a cross-lingual transfer, which we will train or fine-tune on related high-resource languages before testing on low-resource languages. For example, we will use Indonesian data to boost performance of Tagalog. This takes into account that Indonesian is a high resource language, while Tagalog, which was one of the lowest results in the paper. And for cultural context, we will use a retrieval augmented generation, where you propose a question, the language model goes and retrieves regional context, and then it gives you an answer based on that context. The proposed evaluation matrix will be accuracy gap, the difference in performance between high and low resource languages, and cultural and linguistic error rate, that is the percentage of wrong answers due to missing regional knowledge or to wrong language comprehension. And there will be a mitigation gate, where we will see how the model performs after we include the mitigation through cross-lingual transfer and RAG interventions. Thank you.